It's Wednesday. You want to see this? It's Weather Wednesday over at Honda City. Doesn't look too bad. Or it does, I think. Look at the floor. Oh, hello. What's your name? Sparkly. Spark plug. It does match here. Take a look. That's not a cool thing. See, my job is to have this car get fuel in there. It's called spark plugs. That's what the fire goes and it starts these cars up. All right. It's not that cold, is it? Well, let's find out. I'll show you in a minute. Let's say, are you cold? No, I'm not cold. Well, I hope you're not. Oh, yeah. Well, hang on. Can you see? Yeah? No? Can? All right. Let me show you something today. This is what I do when it's cold. I come outside, I'm cleaning this thing. And then this is called, let's say, somebody says, let's go bring some cars. This is what I do. That's a car. Slow motion, and nice. Right? Clean this car out. This is called the Beetle. This is kind of a cool car. I want to set it up and pull it forward for you. So if you have a car like this, I think you're going to enjoy it, even if it's snow on the ground. I'll show you in a minute. Let me open the door for you. It's nice inside. How about that? Weather Wednesday, isn't that fun? So, this Beetle is a cool car. See, beat through the snow. Was easy to get them out. I wanted to show you the inside of the vehicle. Mr. Parkley is inside there. Has beige and red. This is a cool vehicle. Hey, who wouldn't want to buy? You know, this is a cool vehicle. I like this car. Who would like to come and see this car and drive it? Front wheel drive. It's a cool vehicle. It's one of a kind. See, red. Got snow pants and it's red too. It's Weather Wednesday, everyone. 31 degree. Let's just have fun for this. It's the season. So long, everyone. We'll see you next Wednesday.